Hi, my name is Ryan Bhattacharya and I just got done watching the Sterling Scott unboxing video. And now I'm going to unbox my own Sterling Scott, my very first one. So here we go. It's a beautiful box with a beautiful bow. And let's see here. And here is my production number, 1753. And here is the certificate of authenticity right there, the front and the back. Here is Sterling Scott's business card. Here are the discount coupons. There we go. And let's take a look here. Oh, wow. Oh my, this is spectacular. And here is a beautiful Sterling Scott tie. I am blown away. I love it. I love it. And here's the other side. And I'll turn it around one more time. Here's that side right there. And here's the production number again. It's got it all over the place. And there we go. There's my Sterling Scott. I love it. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm looking forward to meeting you.